Hi, I'm George the Weather Dad, and it's time for your weekly planner for the second week of November. The big story in the Midwest, you're going to have a great first half of the week. The second half, well, it's going to get wet and a bit colder. But let's first start on your Monday, and temperature-wise, it's going to be some 10 to 15 degrees above normal for a good portion of this area, lower Mississippi Valley. But that warm air does work its way into the Midwest and the Ohio Valley and even up into the Northeast. The only real cold air, well, that's locked across the extreme north, Minnesota, the Dakotas, and Michigan, and out in the Rockies, where the Rockies continue to get a lot of snow. On Tuesday, this warm air expands. So what are we looking at? Normal high temperatures in the upper 50s, lower 60s in this area. You could see temperatures in the 70s on Tuesday. Again, also on Wednesday, cold air continues to be locked into the Rockies. By Wednesday, again, this warm air entrenched in the Ohio Valley and Midwest. But notice now we're starting to see some colder temperatures starting to work their way down towards the southeast. It really comes into play here on Thursday. You can see that now. These are warm temperatures. These were the 70s that we had here in the Midwest on your Tuesday and Wednesday. By Thursday, that gets pushed to the south. And then by Friday, it gets even a little bit colder yet. We're also going to see some more clouds. So the first half of the week is going to be quite a bit on the sunny side. By the end of the week, it's going to be a bit rainy. And so temperatures are going to be somewhat below normal, which would put us pretty much in the mid-50s in this area. But still very cold up in that area of the country. Precipitation-wise, pretty dry here. Showers up in the Great Lakes, but there's that real strong bit of energy really plowing into the Pacific Northwest. Lots of rain for you there. Snow in the Rockies. By Tuesday, that energy starts working its way towards the east. Pretty dry across most of the country. A couple of renegade showers there on Tuesday. I wouldn't change your plans any. In fact, this will be a really good golf day and still great to put up your Christmas lights. Do it while it's warm because it's no fun putting them up when it's cold out there. And it will be getting cold as we head on into November. You can see here rain now. This is on our Wednesday. That's the cold front. That's starting to push its way down. This is still rain. Maybe some snow in the upper peninsula of Michigan, but rain for most of us. Temperature still a little on the warm side. This is by Thursday. That front wiggles out. It weakens a little bit there in the Ohio Valley and Northeast, but another bit of energy starts really producing a lot of showers and potentially some severe weather for Texas and the lower Mississippi Valley. And here we go again. Another strong storm hitting the Pacific Northwest. And then by Friday, you can see here, this is the cold front itself, severe weather down along the Gulf Coast, but this is going to dry out a little bit, and it's also going to be quite a bit colder. So the bottom line is, it's going to start off great for the first part of the week, and it's going to get cold and somewhat nastier by the latter half of the week. That's your weekly planner. I'm George, the Weather Dad.